Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthiac, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with Iamcassiejbudgets&vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, for the month of August, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels. I will link all of them as well. Happy Friday, guys. We made it through the week. I have a list of things that I want to get done while I'm taking this time. I am also in the process of trying to figure out my life in terms of where we're moving to. I have no clue yet, but I am keeping my eyes open, ears open, and trying to sort through what I want my future home to look like. I just want to put us in a better setup. And so I've been thinking about how am I going to do that and all of that. But right now, taking this time for myself has been on my mind to do, and today's the day that it's going to start. So thank you guys for everybody saying, oh, I'm so glad you're taking time off. I'm not going through anything tragic or anything like that in the current moment. I just think that when you feel like, I want to take a little time, you should be able to, or figure out how you can. You don't necessarily have to get on a plane or a ship or a train or jump in a car. You can just take some time and chill out. And so that's what I've decided I would go ahead and do. But because I wasn't 100% prepared, that's why we're back with our savings challenges. This is very important for me to try to get done as much as I can. Wednesday, we did complete a couple savings challenges. This is the freebie, Everything Beachy. This is the collaboration freebie that will be linked down below. And you can grab it if you like. I thought I had some change. And I do not. Where am I going to get change from, you guys? Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right, that was quite a task. I really need to get to the bank and try to figure out this whole denomination thing. But I'm like, oh, I have some ones at the house, and I just grabbed 20s. Yeah, so we have 40 bucks that we're working with, so let's figure this out today. Hopefully we get through this video okay. The Everything Beachy Savings Challenge is a digital download. You can get it down below. I did cover my amounts with stickers to make adjustments for my low income. If I roll an odd number, then it's $1. If I roll an even number, it's $2. So we're going to roll 2 dice to see which spot is going to get money. 4 and 3. 4, 3 taken. 4 and 3 taken. We're getting to the wire here, so it's going to take a few tries, I'm sure. We have 6 and 3. Odd. So we're adding $1. 5 and 6. All right, here's 6, here's 5. All right, here's 6, here's 5. Already taken. 1 and 4. 1, 4. 1, 4. Okay. 5 and 5. I think 5 and 5 right there. All right, odd number. We're getting a bunch of odd numbers today. I thought we were going to hit some nails. I have a couple nails left. I think 2. Yeah, 3. I have 3. Okay. If I land on a nail, then it's $3. 4 and 4. Taken. Oh. 5 and 6. Didn't we just try that one? 5 and 6. 5 and 6. 4 and 5. 4, 5. Odd number. Oh man, I'm writing on my hand again. I did that last time. Okay. 2 and 4. 2, 4. Even. $2. All right, I think we'll roll one more time. One more time. Let's see what we got. 5 and 3. 5 and 3. $3. Okay. Woo. Oh yeah, I did have 3. Okay. I was just checking. I have 2 nails left. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's see here. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. In total, we have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. 57 big ones. Woo! Okay, so I do think by our next gathering, we will, I think we'll complete it on Sunday. So come back Sunday to see me complete this savings challenge, because I'm very excited for this progress. I actually held on to this savings challenge so I could try to have a little bit more cash going forward for the next couple weeks, but we'll see how things go. Okay, let's see. What are we going to do next? Should we do our... We'll do our librarian set. Let's see. Let's see, what are we able to stuff today? We can do $5 because then we can get some change. Let's see, do we have a $5? Yes, we do. So what we're going to do is we're going to add $5 and we're going to put 15 back. Awesome. $5. Man, this is, oh, looks so good being almost colored in. $20, $40, $61 is what I have here. And every time I look at it, I say I'm going to color over this, the other orange that I had. I can't remember where I got it or what's going on or why it looks so yellowish, but whatever. Okay, now we're back in business. This savings challenge I'm working on is from S&C Budget Creations. It is a set of 6 envelopes. There's amounts listed on there for you to save. However, I'm doing a low income sum method. So I wrote the amounts I'm actually going to save on the back if I follow the sum method. I will save a total of $618 if I follow the plan I have. I am going to be using this money for my Christmas PTO. So I got to really stay focused on that and keep it going. This one also will be going to my Christmas PTO. I'm trying to figure out how much I actually need to save. I will keep you posted. I kind of have a general idea, but we'll figure it out along the way. I got this savings challenge from Batty Bankroll as a gift, but she does have it available in her Ko-Fi shop for $3. It's a yearly savings challenge with monthly savings challenges in it. I think we needed $5 for August, you guys. Let me double check. Yes, because we put $4 in on Wednesday, and we need $5. Yes. Okay, so we have 20, 25, 30, 32, 34, 35, 36. 36 doll hairs. Now, this one I'm doing the sum method on as well. According to these numbers that she has listed, I should have saved $45, but I've gone ahead and made adjustments for my savings challenge to fit my budget. So we completed August. Oh, I'm so proud. So I believe on Sunday what we'll go ahead and do is, I think Sunday we'll start March and then see what we can do. So I completed January and February. I was trying to wait for March so I can work on September at the same time, but I'm working on the months that have previously passed simultaneously, so that way I can try to get through these savings challenges. Some of these are really low numbers, but I am low income, so it's not going to be something I can whip through really quickly. Unless the money falls into my lap or something magical happens, I'll crank out the money and get these months completed, but we'll see. All right, let's see here. No, we're not going to start September. We need to work on our other savings challenge. This one, we will be, whatever we complete by Sunday, whatever we complete by Sunday is what I will be working on unstuffing. So we'll complete our Everything Beachy. I'm certain we'll finish it because it's so close to being completed. So Sunday, and then this one we'll try to complete on Sunday. These are all freebies that I got from Black Canyon Custom Creations. They are all faith-based, and I did complete a few of them on Wednesday, so let's see what we can do. I don't remember how many. I think it was 2. I think we did 2. Isn't it? Weren't you guys there for that? Okay, yeah, it looks like. Okay, yes. I remember now. I remember. Okay, let's see here. We're going to set these this way. I will link her down below so you can check her out and see which savings challenges you're interested in printing up. Man, freebies are everything. They've been helping me so much with my savings. If I don't allot the money to something, I will spend it on anything, everything, all the things. And One of the things I've been enjoying spending money on is taking my kiddos out to eat. And that was another reason why I wanted to make sure I have money for my weekly expenses, but also to do something with my children. We want to go out to eat, I'm sure. By we, I mean me. Okay, so I think what we'll do is, or we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I going to remember that? 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. I don't know. 3. 1, 2, 3. Getting $2. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is going to be a while, I think, because we got to figure this part out. 1, 2. Okay. Come on, 1. We can complete you today. I wanted to get that one done. Come on, 1. Come on, 1. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them have 4. Okay. How do I want to do this? Let me see. I don't want to mess up my today's count. Yikes. Okay, no dollars in there. Where do I have dollars? Two, 4, 5. Okay, we're back. 6. And let's do 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure it's just 1. All right, number 1 just needs $2. We're gonna have to work on that. One moment. Ooh, okay, I got interrupted. What was I saying? I think I was saying I needed number 1 to get some money. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, number 1. There we go. Okay, number 1's completed. Now we can carry on with 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. So all 4 of my savings challenges got cash today. We know we completed 1 savings challenge, so that's fantastic. I wanted to try to complete all 6 of them, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, at this point, I'm really interested in saving what I can. So, of course, completing it would be incredible, but let's see. $2 being added, saving 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. Okay. Another one completed. So we still have Sunday to work on some savings challenges. Oh, this one might be, let's see here. Let's see here. All right. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We completed another savings challenge, guys. Okay. Calm down. Oh, let's see the screen. Complete. I notice if I have a goal of what I'm saving for, not just random savings, then I tend to stay a little bit more focused, and then I try to figure out how can I reach those goals. And by making things, making these savings challenges low amounts helps a lot. Finding savings challenges that you can adjust for your budget, a great idea. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Wow, this money is adding up so fast. I believe I'm going to have more than enough to get me through. We're adding $6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome sauce. All right, so in total we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. Oh, this one's a heavy hitter. How much is this? One's $19 if I complete it. However, Sunday, whatever I have saved is what I'm pulling out, you guys. I'm gonna stick with my plan. All right, so that one was completed. We're gonna keep the ones that are not complete separated. And let's see where we can put the rest of this cash, which one is almost completed. But we have $1, $2, $3, $4 we're adding today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this one needs $4 more to be completed. How much is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We did another thing, you guys. We did another thing. Yes. All right, so we're adding that last 4 there. All right, and let's see how much we have saved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. So wonderful. So wonderful. Okay, let's see here. So we have one savings challenge left to complete on Sunday. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will try to come up with the $9 just to put towards this savings challenge to complete them all. And then once we do an unstuffing, we'll count it all up. But I only have one more savings challenge to complete, and I will have completed all of my freebies. And I will link Black Canyon Custom Creations down below, once again, so that way you can grab her goodies. All right, let's see here. Completed, completed, completed. Let's see. And so we just have one left. Man, I am so glad that things are coming along the way that they are. I'm thanking God every day, every step of the way, because with my finances the way that they are, and going through a divorce and trying to sort through my life with my children getting older and wanting and needing more from me, not just financially, but emotionally and mentally, you know, I need to be available because it's so much of it is on my shoulders. I am seeing an increase from their father of trying to help more, but I guess the best way to put it is that I will accept the help as long as I have it. Whatever kind of help that is, it's not going to be, you know, life-changing, but every little bit helps. And if I'm not doing every single thing alone, I know that will help in terms of the overall big picture. I would love to say that I'm, you know, not a single mom and all that stuff, but I definitely am, and that's where I am with this journey, part of my life. But you guys, stay encouraged, save some money. It does feel good to see some wins. It feels good to see that I'm making progress, that I set out a goal to save money. I wasn't even 100% certain that I would be able to take the time off because of my circumstances financially, but I said, no, I'm just going to believe God for it. I'm just going to go for it and do the best that I can. So when you've seen that unstuffing on Sunday, that's what we're working on, just making sure that we're saving and doing some unstuffings, getting our expenses taken care of, and any spending that we want to see happen. We'll work on it. I'll keep you posted on what I've got going on. This Everything Beachy Savings Challenge link down below. We worked on our freebies from Black Canyon Custom Creations. I will link her as well. Also, I will be linking Batty Bankroll so you can check out her shop and get the freebies if you'd like, or purchase any items. And then the Librarian set. We're making progress on this Librarian set, you guys. So hopefully we'll be able to get it in and see what we can do next week. So that's where we are at this point. I want to thank each and every one of you so much for coming back. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.